Hello students. In today's video, we will discuss about historians and their sources. So, historians are dependent on different sources to find out about the information of the past. अब what are sources? Sources को कैसे समझा जाए ये मैं आपको बताऊंगी. If we talk about what is sources, that sources means clues. Anything that is related with the past. For example, we can take the example of the books available from the past, manuscripts, inscriptions. These all are the sources that help historians to understand about the past and to find out about the past. So, for example, to know if any historian want to know about the 7th century, his sources will be different. And if any historian want to know about the 14th centuries, his sources will be different, and so on. To know about 7th century, historians can study inscriptions. On the other hand, if any historian want to know about the 14th century, he can see and he can read out and he can study the literature of that time, because writer of that time explained about the incident or the works of king of that time in their books. In 7th class, we will study from 700 to 1750 CE. Although we can find out some continuity in these sources. These sources may be vary from each other, but still there are some continuity. एक दूसरे से कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा जुड़े हुए हैं. Because still in modern times, historians are dependent on coins, inscriptions, architecture and textual records for information. But over the time, there are also discontinuity. For example, textual records has changed during the passing period, because in medieval time papers were cheap and easily available, and writers were using papers to write about the religious text, chronicles of rulers, letters, and teachings of saints, and for keeping judicial records. And in that time, rich people, rulers, rulers, temples were keeping the manuscript to place in libraries and archives. Although these manuscripts provides lots of information, but it was very difficult to understand that. In that time, around 500 to 1000 years ago, there were no printing press. So scribes मतलब कि लेखक, चीजों को कॉपी करने वाले, used to copy manuscript by hand. Can you imagine? There were no printing press and every book was written by hand. And it's hard to understand that handwriting of other person, क्योंकि आप लोग खुद एक दूसरे की कॉपी से इतना कॉपी करते हो, और दूसरे की कॉपी को समझ पाना, उसकी हैंडराइटिंग को समझ पाना कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है. सो देयर आर वेरियस चेंजेस, बिकॉज when scribes could not understand what it's originally written, he guessed it and write something similar to that. So these small differences grew over centuries. होता क्या था, जो scribes थे, लेखक थे, जो कॉपी करते थे टेक्स्ट को, अगर उनके कोई वर्ड, कोई लेटर समझ में नहीं आता था, तो वो अपनी समझ से जो उनको ठीक लगता था वो चेंज कर कर वहां पर लिख देते थे. और मान लीजिए कि एक बुक से दूसरी बुक जो लिखी गई उसमें थोड़ा सा चेंजेस हुए, एक दो वर्ड का या एक दो सेंटेंसेस का, और उसके बाद दूसरी बुक जो लिखी गई उसी की दूसरी कॉपी लिखी गई, उसमें थोड़ा सा चेंजेस हुए. ऐसा कर करके मान लीजिए अगर 200 या 500 साल तक ये चेंजेस होते रहे उन बुक्स के, तो ओरिजिनल जो बुक थी और जो अब तक लिखते कॉपी होती चली आई है उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंस हो जाता था. So, as a result, historians have to read different manuscript versions of the same text what the author had originally written. होता क्या था कि जो हिस्टोरियंस थे, जो मैन्यूस्क्रिप्ट वो पढ़ते थे, it may be possible that it is very much different, not fully, very much different from what the writer had originally written. On the other hand, sometimes authors revise their own work. कभी कभी राइटर्स, ऑथर्स जो होते थे, यानी कि जो लिखते थे, ओरिजिनल जो लिखते थे चीज़ों को, they revise their own work. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जियाउद्दीन बरानी, उन्होंने पहले क्रॉनिकल लिखा 1356 में एंड दोबारा से अपने ही वर्क को रिवाइज किया 2 साल बाद. दीज 2 क्रॉनिकल्स वर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम ईच अदर. दोनों ही आपस में बहुत ज़्यादा अलग अलग थे. The first chronicle was lost in library and historians came to know about it after 1971. पहला chronicle जो था, जो original था, वो लाइब्रेरी में कहीं खो गया था, हिस्टोरियंस को इसके बारे में पता नहीं चला और उन्होंने दूसरे क्रॉनिकल को ही ध्यान में रखकर अपनी जो स्टडी हिस्टोरियंस ने की वो की और 1971 के बाद इनको पता चला कि ओरिजिनल क्रॉनिकल तो कुछ और था और जिसको इन्होंने समझने की कोशिश की, ट्रांसलेट किया, जिसको उन्होंने हिस्ट्री को समझने के लिए यूज किया, वो एक्चुअल में एक रिवाइज्ड कॉपी थी. Our next topic is new social and political groups. So it was very challenging for historians to study about the years between 700 and 1750 because a huge changes, social and political changes have happened in these 1000 years duration. For example, if we talk about the technological changes, like people started using Persian wheel for irrigation, spinning wheel for weaving, and for battles, armies started using firearms. Different types of food like potatoes, corn, chilies, beverages like tea and coffee arrived in that area. Different people brought different innovative ideas. So different economic, political, social and cultural changes took place in medieval times. This was also a time when a number of people traveled place to place in search of different places to grow crops, to get a job, to earn livelihood. लोगों ने माइग्रेट करना भी शुरू किया, मोबिलिटी शुरू हुई, यानी लोगों ने एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाना शुरू किया एक बेहतर जीवन जीने के लिए. Moving forward, if we talk about the political changes, firstly we will discuss about the Rajputra, means son of rulers, to whom we call Rajputs, जिनको कि हम राजपूत बोला करते हैं. In Indian subcontinent from 7th century to 14th century, the group of Rajputs became very powerful. राजपूत कहा जाता था राजपुत्रों को, यानी कि जो सन्स हुआ करते थे, बेटे हुआ करते थे राजाओं के, रूलर्स के जो बेटे हुआ करते थे उनको. बाद में इस टर्म को मॉडिफाइड कर दिया गया और राजपूत कहलाने लगे वो लोग. सो राजपूत वॉज नॉट ओनली अ कास्ट, ये कोई कास्ट नहीं थी, बट एनीवन हु फॉट बैटल्स और हु वर वॉरियर्स कॉल्ड एज राजपूत. कोई भी ऐसा जो बैटल लड़ा करता था, युद्ध लड़ा करता था और बहादुर हुआ करता था, वॉरियर हुआ करता था, उसको राजपूत कहा जाने लगा. Not only the sons of rulers but also soldiers, commanders who served in armies were called as Rajputs. So poets, different poets described a lot of things explaining about the qualities which Rajputs possess. So poets describe Rajputs as a follower of code of conduct, यानी कि बहुत ज़्यादा नियमों को मानने वाले बताया करते हैं राजपूत्स को पोएट अपनी पोइट्री में. एंड वेरी लॉयल, ब्रेव एंड प्राउड ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल. The other groups, बहुत सारे दूसरे ग्रुप्स भी थे, like the other groups like Maratha, Sikh, Jat, Ahoms and Kayasthas also proved themselves important at the time of need. होता क्या था कि when Rajputs were actually getting a prominent position in the society, other groups also wanted to prove themselves. So whenever in the time of need and any opportunity came in front of them, so the other groups also proved themselves like they are also beneficial for society. Other changes also took place, like in this duration of 1000 years, the extension of agriculture after clearing, many forest dwellers also moved from forest due to these sudden changes. हुआ क्या कि अब बात हुई है कि let's extend the, क्योंकि population were increasing, so they also, the people of the story, people of early man actually, they tried to extend their agricultural land. For this they cut the forest, and in these 1000 years the extension of agriculture took place after clearing forest. Many forest dwellers यानी कि वो people, वो लोग जो जंगलों में रहा करते थे, also moved from forest due to these sudden changes. अचानक से जब जंगल कटने लगे, they had to move from forest from other places to other places. Some of them also became peasants and get influenced by markets, religious teachers, and became a part of society and started paying tax and other services to local lord. था क्या कि अब यही peasants, जो फॉरेस्ट ड्वेलर्स, जो कि अब तक जंगलों में रहा करते थे, when they started living with society near them, so the sudden changes came into their life, like they got influenced by the market. उनको बहुत अच्छा लगने लगा वहाँ का मार्केट, रिलीजियस टीचर्स के पास जाने लगे वो लोग, और पूरी तरीके से आसपास की अपनी सोसाइटी का एक पार्ट बन गए, जो कि अब तक सिर्फ जंगलों में रहा करते थे। इसके अलावा वो लोग टैक्स भी पे करने लगे, और वहाँ के जो लोकल लॉर्ड्स थे, यानी कि जो मंत्री और जो सब रहा करते होंगे वहां पर, उनको भी सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करने लगे। ड्यू टू दीज ह्यूज चेंजेस सोसाइटी बिकेम डिफरेंट। बहुत ज्यादा डिफरेंस आए सोसाइटी में इस ह्यूज चेंजेस की वजह से। एंड पीपल वर ग्रुप्ड इनटू जातीज। लोगों ने अपने आप को जहां रहते थे वहीं की जातियों में इकट्ठा कर लिया, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ देयर बैकग्राउंड। जो भी उनका बैकग्राउंड हो, जो ऑक्यूपेशन हो, पीपल वर एक्चुअली not dividing themselves into any caste according to their ancestors. They were dividing themselves into caste according to their background and according to their occupation. These jatis also made their rules and regulations. Still, they were also following the village rules. अपने अपने रूल्स रेगुलेशन जो उनकी जाति के थे वो भी फॉलो कर रही थी, और इसके अलावा जो विलेज रूल्स थे वो भी फॉलो कर रहे थे। यही एक रीजन है कि इंडिया में फेस्टिवल्स वही होते हैं, बट उनको मनाने का तरीका हर कास्ट का अपना अलग अलग होता है। दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे। इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो आई विल डिस्कस अबाउट द रीजन एंड एम्पायर। That's all for today. I will also give you some questions. Thank you very much.